Sounds of space. NASA has published an audio recording from the satellite of Jupiter. NASA has released a 50-second audio recording, created from data from the Juno space station, received during a flyby near Ganymede. It is the icy satellite of Jupiter, which is the largest in the solar system, 51% larger than the Moon and twice as large as the Earth's satellite. Juno made this flight on June 7, approaching Ganymede for the first time since the Galileo flyby in 2000. In the process, she measured electrical and magnetic waves in Ganymede's magnetosphere, which, in turn, is submerged in Jupiter's magnetosphere, and NASA scientists shifted the vibrations to convert them into an audio track. Mission Chief Scott Bolton noted that a sharp increase in frequency can be heard around the middle of the recording, a sign that at that moment the station moved to another region of the satellite's magnetosphere.